Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kimbap rice. First, select a high-quality short-grain Korean rice. This type is essential for the desired sticky and slightly chewy texture. Rinse the rice several times under cold, clear water, removing any excess starch until the water runs completely clear. After rinsing, let it soak for at least 30 minutes, allowing the individual grains to fully hydrate for more even cooking. Next, for cooking, use a precise ratio of water to rice. For every 1 cup of rice, add 1.2 cups of water. This slightly firmer texture is perfect for kimbap rolls. Cook the rice in your rice cooker on the standard white rice or sushi rice setting. Once the cooking cycle finishes, let the rice steam undisturbed for an extra 10 to 15 minutes before opening. Immediately transfer the hot, cooked rice to a large, wide mixing bowl. This step is crucial for proper seasoning and cooling. Add 2 tablespoons of pure sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Gently mix these seasonings into the rice using a slicing motion with a rice paddle, avoiding mashing the grains. To ensure the rice cools evenly and quickly, spread it out in a thin layer across the bowl. Cover the rice with a damp, clean cloth or plastic wrap to keep it from drying out as it cools. For the best kimbap, plan to use your perfectly seasoned rice within 2 to 3 hours, ensuring optimal texture and flavor for rolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.